Hello mga kadogs lovers! Dito na si Nala, nauwi na sa bahay. Nala, she's home now. She's okay. Still strong and active. But sometimes she's crying, maybe because of that pain. Naka-bandage siya, balot, yung ano niya. Kasi malaki daw yung sugat niya, yung hiwat niya. Hello, Nala. Still paining, baby. Oh. Sanang masakit. Nala. Kung saan ako, susunod siya. May gamot naman siya, antibiotic at saka pain reliever. Hi, Nala. Say hello to our friends. Dogs lover, hello. Shout out to all. So sad. Still in pain. 2 days today. Nala, baby. Pero grabe man ang bayad. Sobra 8,000. Narinig ko kanina, pagbayad ng dalaga, 8,000 plus. Nasa ano na siguro yan sa peso. Or hindi ko lang sure, or more than 100 or less than 100,000 sa peso. Hi, Nolo, baby. Come here. Come here. Kahiga lang niya eh. Umiiyak siya kanina. Kaya dinala ko na naman dito sa bed niya. Ayaw niyang kumain. Hindi rin nainom ng tubig. Sige na, bye-bye. Hello, Nala. Bye-bye to our friends. Shout out sa It's Time family. Mom, bliss girl. Nala, she's okay now. On Thursday, she go back her doctor for follow-up checkup. And change the band-aids. I don't know if they put band-aids again or no. Okay, bye-bye. Thank you for watching.